Good evening everyone. Here are the answers of statistic week 6 graded assignment. So first question, the answer is 144. This question is same for everyone. Moving toward the next question, the question number 2. This question may differ, like in my case the value is 8. In your case there may be some different value. Let's just call it n. So if there are n train, okay, for convenience let's just say that there are n train. So there are n train stops between Chennai and Assam, something like this. So all you have to do is to just calculate n plus 2 times n plus 1. Let's say that in your case n is equal to 6. So how will you derive the answer? It will be 6 plus 2 times 6 plus 1. So 6 plus 2, that is 8 times 6 plus 1, which is 7. So 8 times 7, which will result in 56. Similarly, if n is equal to 7, so the answer will be 72. If n is equal to 8, the answer will be 90. In the third question, a man desired to throw a party. Now this question may differ, like in my case the values are 9 and 13 respectively. In your case it may be something else. So if 9 and 13 is the value, you may copy the answer 385 ways. Let's say that you have different values. So how can you calculate? You can use the formula NCM minus n minus 2 Cm minus 2, where n must be greater than m. Like in my case, m is equal to n must be greater than m. I repeat the formula NCM minus n minus 2 Cm minus 2, where n must be greater than m. Like in my case, m is equal to 9 and n is equal to 13. In question number 4, Suman has 7 clothes of different types. So if 7 clothes is given, the answer will be 480 ways. If you want the detailed solution, you may go and check our Telegram channel. Still, if you want to solve for your value, you may drop that section, drop it in the comment section. If I'll get time, I'll solve it. If 6 clothes is given, the answer will be 96 ways. Moving toward the next question. Question number 5. So it's how many 15-digit number can be formed such that they read the same way from either side. Okay, so in my case it's 15-digit. Maybe something else is given in your. So for convenience, let's just say that how many m-digit number can be formed. Okay, so how to calculate that? You may use the formula 9 into 10 to the power m minus 1 upon 2, where m should be the number which is provided to you. In my case it's 15, so it will be 9 into 10 to the power 15 minus 1 upon 2. So 15 minus 1, which will be 14, upon 2, that will be 7. So 9 into 10 to the power 7 will be the answer. Suppose n is equal to 5 is given in your case, so the answer will be 9 into 10 to the power 2 in 6. So question number 6, find the total number of ways to form 4-digit number. 7 into 7p3 will be the answer. In a restaurant, 12 men and 6 women are seated. So the answer will be 12 factorial times 6 factorial. You may use it like x factorial times y factorial. In my case, x and y are 12 men and 6 women. In question number 8, in how many ways can a group of 2 players? So you can use this formula m times n factorial upon m plus 1 factorial times n minus m minus 1 factorial, where n must be greater than m. Find the value of r such that the ratio of 3pr and 4pr minus 1 will be 1 by 2. The answer will be 3. And for question number 10, D, which is none of the above, will be the correct option. Thank you. Have a good day. And for EMQ section, you may get access to those EMQ questions from our Telegram channel. I'll